One eternity later.
Hey guys, this is El Cuba and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be learning how to solve the 3 by 3 pyramid cube. It looks like this. So it has many edges, centers and corners. So these three are the centers, these three are the edges, and this is one corner. And in this cube there are only like 4 sides. There are 4 sides in this pyramids, unlike a 3 by 3 and a normal Rubik's cube. So this actually looks like a tetrahedron or triangular pyramid. It is similar to the shape. And now we'll be learning how to solve this cube.
Bro, no need to solve me because I'm already solved.
You piece of pyramid nooby noob. Anyway, let's first practice.
I will surely have my revenge.
お前はもう死んでいる。
In your dreams. Anyway, let's first practice some moves and algorithms. So, this is R. Okay, this is R. This is R prime. See, this is R prime. This is L prime. This is L. This is U. And this is U prime. So now that we have learned all the moves and algorithms, let's scramble the cube and start solving it.
Don't you dare scramble me.
I will have to scramble you and I am going to scramble you.
Oh, hell no!
So now let's start solving this cube. I've got it scrambled. And now the first step to solve this cube is to connect all the corners to its proper colors. So here is one corner, this one, like this. And now we have to connect it to their perfect color spot. See, this is the center, which you can see. We have to connect it there. Sometimes this corner doesn't work here. See, we have connected one corner to all its 3 colors perfectly. Similarly, we'll do it for all corners. I've got another corner paired. Third corner is already paired for me. And fourth corner is also already paired for me. So guys, we have first solved the first step, which is to connect all the corners. And now you can see this diamond which is formed between the corner and the center. So this shape is called a diamond. And now we have to bring all the diamonds to one side, okay, where all diamonds can meet each other. So I know I've got 1, 2, 3 diamonds. For this is for green side, and I can bring it to one spot, so where all these diamonds can meet each other. See, we've got all 3 diamonds where they can meet each other. And now next step is to pair all these edges, like how we solve the white side in the 3 by 3. Similarly, here we are solving the green side for this pyramids. So we are going to pair all the edges to its proper colors. So I've got, you have to always, now we have to search for edges which have green colors. This is in the example of green color, okay. So now we have got one edge, green and white. So now we should turn this edge, like we have to turn it to the white side here like this. And we have to turn the edge such that the green color of this edge is not visible to us. Then you have to bring this up. Then you have to do this. This is the algorithm, and we have placed one edge in our place. Similarly, we'll be doing for all the edges. I've got another edge. So we have to check both its colors and make sure that edge contains green color. This is in the example of green. So this is green and blue. We'll turn it to blue side, and we have to bring this edge such that green is not visible to us like this. Then bring this right side up. Then you have to do this alg, and so we've got our second edge in place. Now third edge. So now we've got our last edge which is remaining. It's green and orange. So we have to turn this edge such that its green color is not visible, and similarly do it. So now we've finished the green side as well as the first layer. So for me in this case we can directly solve it like this. Like just bring this. And we've done it. But there are some more possibilities which can occur.